All right, welcome back all my crypto enthusiasts to this crypto and blockchain updates. I'm Santosh Surendran, Director Analytics, Balamount Analytica Incorporated. Crypto data shown in this video is based on Tuesday, 27th July 2021. Mobile phone viewers try to view this video in landscape mode for better data readability. We select only currencies with a market cap that has an impact on the market. Let's start the update with the highlights of the day. Price statistic, top 3 currencies, top gainer and loser, Indian crypto news. Let's proceed with the first session of this update. Price statistics, top 3 currencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum and Binance Coin are the top currencies. Let's see the detailed statistic. Prices. Bitcoin 37,004.59 US dollars. Ethereum 2,189.19 US dollars. Binance 303.64 US dollars. Market dominance. Bitcoin 47.70%, Ethereum 17.58%, Binance 3.49%. Market cap. Bitcoin 694.123 billion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's market cap of 2.486 trillion US dollars. Ethereum 255.514 billion US dollars. Binance 50.973 billion US dollars. Trading volume. Bitcoin 41.960 billion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's trading volume of 72.434 million US dollars. Ethereum 25.933 billion US dollars. Binance 2.105 billion US dollars. Let's proceed to the next session of the update. Top gainer and loser. Top gainer. Performance of all currencies with an impact in the market had lost this day, so we don't have a top gainer to show today. Top loser. Dogecoin is the top loser. With 11.09% decrease in the previous day, price 0.2023 US dollars, market dominance 1.80%. Let's proceed to the last session of this update, Indian crypto news. As per News 18 report on 23rd July 2021, Taxes Department in India sent notices to crypto investors and exchanges in India. Know the reason. Trading volume of cryptocurrencies had increased many-fold during COVID lockdown. According to a recent report by Bloomberg, Indian investments in cryptocurrencies increased from 923 million US dollars in April 2022 to around 6.6 billion US dollars in May 2021. The Taxes Department is keeping an eye on people making huge profits from trading cryptocurrencies. The department is collecting investors' details from exchanges. The Taxes Department suspects tax evasion by these crypto investors. As per Indian law, profits from crypto transactions will be taxed as business income. If traders are frequent and volume are high, then it is taxed as capital gains. My opinion on this news: crypto investors and the government are confused as there is no finalized regulations regarding crypto trades in India. At last, the government plans to introduce a cryptocurrency regulations bill in the next session of Parliament. In my opinion, it's high time to have the regulations in place. Disclaimer: read full disclaimer document carefully before making investment decisions. Courtesy data coinmarketcap.com and finance.yahoo.com. Video footages ydc.com. Follow Balamon Analytica Incorporated for updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain. That's all in this update. Have a great time ahead.